Ever wonder what's actually happening when you sneeze? It starts when something irritates your nose, dust, pollen, or even sunlight. Your brain gets the signal, and suddenly it's a chain reaction involving your throat, chest, and face. Then you release tiny droplets at speeds up to 100 miles per hour. That's why sneezing into your elbow is so important to stop germs from spreading. Did you know sneezes were this powerful?